There's a big difference between being positive and being aggressive. Would you stand your ground in this situation, or would you submit? This incident happened on Marshall Road in Lancaster, and my viewer was thinking of reporting this to the police. He got in touch and asked me my opinion, and I didn't think the police would do much, so he's let me use the clip as an educational tool. We can see the parked cars are on the opposite side to the direction of my viewer's travel, so the oncoming Range Rover should give way. But you know what's going to happen.
Oh, back up.
The guy driving the Range Rover has no clue, but he thinks he's in the right. I actually feel for the kid in the passenger seat because they'll probably turn out exactly the same.
I'm not allowed to.
The driver behind's now getting a little impatient also. Would you drive on the pavement in this situation? Now the driver of the Range Rover gets out. Let's have a listen to what he's got to say.
I've got the right way, mate.
No.
I'm coming up an hill. I've got the right
That's
way.
in a HGV.
You're supposed to give way. End of story.
Actually, that's not the case. Let's have a look. Rule 155 of the Highway Code talks about single track roads, and it does say within this section, give way to road users coming uphill wherever you can, but it doesn't apply in this situation. This quite simply is not a single track road.
And I'll just leave it there, mate, and fuck off up on the little road.
I can't go over
Why
on the
can't I do
curb.
that?
It's not an emergency.
And I can't reverse back onto a monkey junction either.
This is also a load of rubbish. Who remembers you had to reverse round a corner on your test many years ago? What's the difference?
Oh, did you forget that bit or not?
No, I've got to pass a test to do this.
You've got to pass a test. Well, you need to go do it again then, don't you? Because you're getting it.
I'm not the one that's acting like a child here.
Eh? You're the one who's acting like a child.
Oh, how can I back up when there's a car behind?
You didn't have a car behind you, little. I hope you're recording at all because I'm right.
No. No, you're not. Personally, in this situation, I think I would have just gone very slowly with my left wheel up the curb and just gone round. I know driving on the pavement is illegal, but so is blocking the road unnecessarily, and I think that's the lesser of the two evils, as long as you do it safely. The learner motorcyclist that's waiting behind the black Range Rover driver thinks exactly the same. Now the guy in a red Toyota behind gets out and has a word with my viewer.
Excuse me, man. Why not give me place? Why not give me space while I'm passing?
Well, how can I move?
Can you just put two tires this way and you can
No,
go?
according to
I'm
the
busy, mate. I do delivery. If you want to, don't give to him place. Park there till I'm going. Alright? I'm busy, mate.
So am I.
Listen, put two tires this way and you can go. If you're not going, park this way till I'm going. Give me place. I'm do delivery. I'm busy, mate. I'm busy, mate. If you just two tires put in there, you can't pass it. Why you do this one?
Well, it's not an emergency.
Excuse me, mate. I'm busy. You have to give me place till I'm going. Right?
It's not an emergency. I have
No.
no right of jumping the curb.
Okay, come this way. Give me space till I'm passing. Come park this way. Come pass this way.
You're wrong, mate.
I am not in the wrong.
That's his way.
Oh, let's
You
just
can't
all
go
blame
to
the
this
professional taxi driver then, is it?
You're fucking.
At least the guys behind were looking for a solution. You do have to stand up for what's right, but sometimes you just have to fix the situation.
Oh, I'm not entertaining you.
The guy in the red Toyota behind gets fed up, turns round and finds another route to where he was going to go. And then another passenger gets out the Range Rover to take a photo.
Alright, there we go. Now I can go somewhere.
I wonder whether she enjoyed being the thumbnail to my video.
Yeah, you got on video, Kevin.
The driver of the Range Rover was completely in the wrong, but I think my viewer could have probably sorted this a little sooner. But I totally understand you would like to stand your ground. I do the same sometimes, and I think I probably would have stood my ground with this guy a little bit. However, it's not worth the hassle sometimes. If you find yourself in a situation like this, try and do your utmost to sort it quickly. Record the footage and then send it to me. The person I feel sorry for in this clip is this child in the front seat. Witnessing poor behaviour like that, they're more than likely going to turn out exactly the same. Keep safe everyone, I'll see you soon.